Oh, it's your predator drone. Let's go, Seven. Let's go, Seven. Come on, come on, come on. Oh. Me and Seven are breaching in. Hey, that guy's gonna steal the copter. You need to kill him, Jake. I can't get to him on time. Don't kill him. Go, 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 go. I'm going after him. Hold up, I'm chasing a guy running away from us. Don't get spotted. Don't get spotted.
No, God!
Spotted.
No, God, please, no! No!
Sorry, I was just making sure.
No! No!
Get down, Seven. Don't let them spot you. Jake, we're about to get... We shot at Jake. Got him. Wait, I just got a mission accomplished. Oh! We're trying to make it there. I still have not been spotted, by the way. Search teams are coming from behind us. They got alerted. Search teams are alerted behind us. Watch out. I don't know what you have in your hand. I'm inside the cliff. Good job, good job. Start collecting loot. We are like an unstoppable trio. Oh! Yo, I just got a new sniper scope. What are y'all doing? What are y'all gonna do? Yeah, that's all I'm counting. I'm a little confused. I'm confused as 10 chests is. Oh. What were 7? Wait, 7. I'm confused. What? I'll fly plane. I wanna fly. Make it fast. We got 2 search teams coming in from where I am. I see them. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We gotta get out of here, guys. Go, go. What are y'all in? Oh, okay. Alright, I'm driving this. I'm flying, right? I'm flying. Hold up, let me pick up these chests here. I'm coming, I'm not picking up chests, I was kidding. I'm here! Get out! I'm here! Get out of there! Hey, let me fly. Get out, Jake! Get out! Oh, get out. Where's the planes? Oh, I need wings. Why are there no planes here at Liberty Airport? Okay, here, I'm gonna look on a map, place on our map. Actually, hold up. Alright, find a hard place that you know of. 7! Have you done it yet? That's gonna be a while till we get there. Is that me? it at me? Let's go. Have you done it yet? I'm honestly tempted to raid this town. I mean, this city literally has people everywhere. Wait, what is that? Convoy coming through the city. You wanna kill it? You wanna get a convoy? We'll go, we'll go. No. Look how many people are on the map. Hold up. I remember me and Jake did so many. Crap. Fire! Rolling sideways, fire. Yeah, we're going to B, right? No, I'm fine. I don't. What is this? Whoa.